Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the exact components: 3 wood planks, 2 metal scraps, and a hinge kit. Once done, take them to a nearby workbench because crafting requires bench access. Make sure to open the build menu and locate the door lock schematic so you can start assembly immediately. You're doing this now to avoid later backtracking. Having materials at hand speeds the process and prevents repeated trips while enemies or nightfall interrupt progress. You now assemble the internal mechanism carefully. Attach the housing to the door frame and align the hinge points so the lock operates smoothly. Then install the tumblers or latch components and move them by hand to confirm nothing binds. Once you're satisfied, secure the external plate and fasten with 4 screws, making sure the bolt clears the strike plate. If parts feel tight, back off a quarter turn and retest. Smooth motion here prevents failure after mounting. You finish by mounting the completed lock to the door and testing open and close actions at least 5 times to verify consistency. Then calibrate the key, code, or lever mechanism so resistance feels right, tight enough to be secure, loose enough to operate. If the bolt binds or the door sticks, loosen screws a quarter turn and realign the strike plate. This one troubleshooting step fixes most issues. Finally, retest repeatedly so you know the lock will hold under.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.